Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to debug code using Claude AI step by step in 2026. So if your program keeps showing errors or not working correctly, Claude AI can help you find and fix problems much faster. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Then sign in to your account. Once the dashboard opens, you can start asking coding questions directly in the chat. Now copy the exact error message from your code editor or terminal. So instead of giving a vague explanation, paste the real error because Claude understands debugging much better with specific details. Next, paste the part of the code causing the issue. Include enough lines so Claude can understand the context of the bug and explain what's going wrong. After that, ask Claude to explain the error in simple language. This is really useful because it not only gives fixes, but also helps you understand why the problem happened. Now copy the suggested solution and test it inside your project. If the problem still continues, you can send the updated error back to Claude for more troubleshooting. One really useful trick is asking follow-up questions. So you can ask Claude to optimize the code, improve readability, or suggest better programming practices after fixing the bug. And that's how to debug code using Claude AI step by step in 2026. Once you start sharing clear errors and asking smart follow-up questions, debugging becomes much faster and easier. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI coding tutorials and productivity tips. Hey everyone, in this